This is a demonstration of MoonFood admin panel. Coming to the admin panel, here we have the dashboard. On the top, we have different statistics such as delivered orders, cancelled orders, refunded orders, and payment failed orders. Other details like unassigned orders accepted by the deliveryman, cooking in restaurants, picked up by deliveryman can be viewed and managed right from here. And coming down, we see the admin commission, statistics, total sell, and subscription right here. We can manage it by months and we can see other details right from here. Coming down, we see user statistics, that is a total number of users, including customers, restaurants, and deliverymen, can be seen right from here. We can also see to most popular restaurants on the platform, top deliverymen, top restaurants, top rated foods, and top selling foods right from here. And we can, of course, manage it right from here on the dashboard. Next, we have POS. Here we can select the zone. We can select the category. Let me show you that. We can select the zone, we can select the category, we can select the restaurant, and we can add a product that we want to order using the POS directly. We can add it to the cart. We can select the customer that the order is being sent to, and we can add the delivery information, and we can just place the order right from here, and it will be placed for the customer. Now coming to campaigns, we can see basic campaigns like different campaigns that are running on the platform. For example, mega sale, 30% off, summer burger hunt. Everything can be managed right from here. We can also manage the duration, time duration, and different status. If you want to disable a basic campaign, we can just disable it right from here, and we can similarly enable. If you want to edit the details of it, we can come here and we can change the start date, end date, and different other timing details as well. We can change the description and the title also right from here. If you want to discard one of the basic campaigns, we can do that just by clicking on the delete campaign option right here. Next, coming to food campaigns, here we have different food campaigns that are running. For example, pizza carnival, cheesecake, and different other food campaigns have been run. We can see the date from when to when it's being run, different time details and the pricing details as well. Similarly, the status can be updated right from here, and we can update the details. For example, the title, short description, the zone that we are offering the food campaign, and different other pricing, discount, and discount type. Everything can be managed right from here. We can also add new food variations if you want to do that, and you can press on submit to update the details right from here. Now coming to banners, we have the option to add different banners right from here. For example, we can see here we have currently few of the banners that are running like fast delivery, local foods, Korean food, and different offers. These are the banners that are running on the platform on the homepage. And as we scroll down, this can be managed and the status can be updated using a toggle button, and we can edit the details like we can update the title, the zone, banner type, and the image right from here. Similarly, if you just want to add a new banner to the banner tab, you can just add it right from here. We can select the image and we can press on submit to update the banner. Now coming to promotional banner, here there are different promotional banners that we can see on the application. Similarly, if you want to add a promotional banner, we can just update the promotional banner right from here, and we can press on save to do that. Now coming to coupons, we have the option to add coupons for our customers. For example, currently we have few of the coupons that are added. For example, free 50, free 20, free delivery. We can see the code, title, type, total users, minimum purchase, maximum purchase, discount, discount type, start date, and the expiry date. We can also manage which type of customers are we giving the coupons to, and it can be updated right from here by toggling on and off, and we can edit the details as well. All the details can be managed right from here, and we can also select the category. For example, we can use different users that we are offering the specific coupons to as well. Similarly, if you want to add any coupon, we can write the details, coupon type, and different other details, coupon code, and everything can be done right from here. We can select the amount, percentage, and we can press on submit to add a new coupon to the list of coupons. Now, next, coming to push notifications, here we can manage the push notifications that are being sent to the users. Now, coming to orders, here under all orders, we can see all the orders that are placed on the platform. We can see the order date, customer information. We can see the restaurant that they have ordered from, total amount, and if it is paid or unpaid, that also can be seen. And we can see the order status. For example, is it delivered? Is it handed to the delivery partner, or is it cancelled? All the details can be seen right from here. You can also go to button here and we can see the detailed information of the order. We can see what was ordered, what was the delivery fee, tax, delivery proof also can be seen right from here, and other details can be managed right from here as well. Similarly, we have different categories under orders like scheduled orders, We have pending orders, the orders still yet to be accepted and delivered to the customer. Similarly, we can see accepted orders, processing orders, food on the way, delivered orders, and similar other categories like cancelled, failed payments, refunds, and offline payments. Next, coming to subscription orders, here we can manage the subscription orders that we have enabled or got from the users. Once we enable the subscription model as well, if you want to do that. Next, we can see order refunds, the new refunds that are reimbursed to the customers. Next, we have dispatch management. Here we can see uh, the platforms that are searching for a delivery man right from here. We can take actions. We can just go here, and we can also change the status of the order right from here. We have the option to assign a delivery man in case it is not assigned and it's urgent to deliver. We can just press on assign, and the delivery partner is successfully assigned to the order. See here, the details of the delivery man is just updated, and we can see the details of the order right from here. Also, we have the option to show location on map for the restaurant. We also have the option to print the invoice of the order as well. Here you can see the invoice is printed. Similarly, now coming back to dispatch management, we can see ongoing orders as I updated it just now. We can see the ongoing orders as well. Now coming to chatting, we can see different chats or conversations that are being done with customers or the delivery agents that can be managed from here, right? Next, we have contact messages. Now coming to zone setup under restaurant management, we can select the zone that the business is currently operating in. For example, we can just select the zone by using the tool right here, and we can select a zone in which we want our services to be operational, and we can press on submit to enable different zones. Currently, we can see the different zones that are enabled. We can change the status of it. We have the option to edit the details of it. For example, we can change the details of it right from here. We have the option to manage other settings. For example, maximum delivery charge, minimum delivery charge, maximum COD amount, increase the delivery charge, and different other details like delivery charge per kilometer, and all the details can be changed right from here. We also have the option to add the incentive settings right from here by pressing on new incentive settings, and we can do that for the delivery partner as well. Now coming to cuisines, here we can see different names, total restaurant status, and all the details right here. We can also add new cuisines if you want to do that by pressing on add new right here. And if you want to update currently which are on the platform, we can press on edit or we can press on delete as per the need. Now coming to restaurants, we have the option to add new restaurants directly from the admin panel. Here we can directly onboard a restaurant right from here. We can also see the restaurant list that we have. For example, we have total of 9 restaurants, 8 active restaurants, and one inactive restaurants. We can see all the details like commission earned, total restaurant withdrawals, and total transactions. We can also manage the restaurants that are listed on the platform. We can see the owner information, zone that they are serving, and the cuisines. You have the option to update the status or disable a restaurant right from here in case you want to do that. All the details of the restaurant also can be updated from the admin panel. We can also change the zones that they are currently operating in and other details as well right from here. Next, going to new joining request. Here we can see different joining requests that we have received on the platform. And if you want to onboard the restaurant, we can accept it or we can reject, or we can see all the details once before accepting the joining request of the restaurant. Now coming to bulk import, we can import bulk data and stuff right from here. Now coming to categories under food management, we can see different categories of food. For example, burger, biryani, Asian food, cakes, and different other categories are added right here. We can change the priority of each of the category, and we can change the status. We can edit the details, and we also have the option to delete a category if you're not serving that. If you want to add new categories, that can be done just by entering the category name. For example, we can enter the category name, we can choose the name, then we can just submit to add the category. Similarly, it can be done for the subcategories as well. And if you want to import the categories in bulk, we can do that as well. Now coming to foods, we have the option to add different foods on the platform by entering their name, their food image, restaurant, different add-ons on the food, their subcategories, availability of the food also can be managed just by entering the details here. Their pricing information, any variations in the food if that's needed, we can add that as well, and different tags, and we can submit here to add a new food item to the list. For example, going to list, here we can see different food items that are already added on the platform. We have the option to enable, disable. Similarly, we have the option to edit details and also delete a specific food from the item. For example, I can just go to one of the food items. I can press on edit details, and here we can see the name, the image, description, restaurants, their category, subcategory, and food type. We can, if you want to add different add-ons like cheese and stuff, we can do that, and we can also increase the number of add-ons as per our need. Next, we can change the availability, the pricing, food variations, and different tags right from it. Now going to review, here we see the different reviews that we have received for the food items, and we can see the rating. We can enable and disable a review if that's needed as well. Now coming to vehicles category setup, we can set up different vehicle categories for the delivery management system. Here we can enable and disable different categories, like currently cycle, car, and bike is added. We can add multiple categories as per need, and we can change the maximum coverage area and the extra charges of each of this right from here, and it can be enabled and disabled as well. Next, we have shift setup. Here we have three different shifts added currently, like morning, afternoon, and evening, and we have set the time for that. That can be enabled and clubbed into one, or it can be divided further down as per the need by adding new shifts by pressing on Add Shift tab on the top. Similarly, we can change the details of current shift, or we can delete them as per our need as well, right from it. Now coming to delivery men, we see the list of delivery men that are on the platform that are onboarded. We can see their details. We can see their availability status, if they're online, offline, currently assigned orders, and their details as well can be edited if you want to do that right from it. Like their phone number, the passport details, identity number, and everything can be updated right from it. We can export the data to Excel as per the need if you want to manage that as well. We have the option to add new deliveryman right from here. We can enter their details, their vehicle details. We can select the zone. We can select the deliveryman type, freelancer, salary base. That can be managed as per the need. We can select the identity type, and all other details can be entered and submitted to add new deliveryman to the platform. If you have new joining requests from different people, for example, if someone is trying to join the platform as a salary base or a freelancer, we can just see the joining request here, and we can approve or deny right from here. Next, we have incentive requests. We have incentive history that the platform is offering to the deliveryman. Different bonuses and reviews can be managed right from here. Reviews that we have received for a specific deliveryman, what's the review and the rating, it can be seen right from here. Now, under customer management, we can see different customers that are on the platform. We can disable or enable a customer on the platform, and we have the option to perform different actions right from it. For example, we can go here and we can see the details and other, like wallet balance, loyalty point, and other details and contact information of the customers right from it. Next, we have the option to go to wallet and add funds and bonus to the customer wallets. Similarly, we can do for the loyalty points, and we can also see the customers who have subscribed to the mail list, that is our newsletter. Now, coming to transaction report, here we can see the complete transaction report, that is a completed transaction, refunded transaction, admin earnings, restaurant earnings, delivery man earnings, and all the details right here. Here, coming down, we see all the details regarding the transaction broken down into each component, like total item amount, item discount, coupon discount, discounted item, tax, delivery charge, order amount, admin discount, restaurant discount, admin discount, additional charges, commission. All the details can be seen right here in very detailed form. Then we can see the total amount received by whom, the delivery man or the admin, the payment method, and the payment status. We can download the details as per our need by pressing on download right here. Now, coming next to expense report. Similarly, we can see the expense reports right here, and we can also download the data back to Excel right from it. Next, we have food reports to see the stats of the foods and the order count of each of the food on the platform. So this can be used to manage frequent orders, and the restaurants that are selling the most amount of foods can be seen. We can see the pricing, order count, total amount sold, total discount given, and the ratings and average sale value as well. You can categorize this data as per our need based on the zones, restaurants, categories, and we can filter to see only specific data if you want to do that as well. You can see December. We can see the reports of the amount that is being paid to the restaurants and the delivery men right from here, and it can be managed as per the need. Coming next, we have order reports. We can see the regular order reports. We can see detailed information like scheduled orders, pending orders, and all the details on the top. For example, here we can see the delivered orders, food on the way, processing orders, cancelled orders, and down here we can see the order ID, restaurant from which the order is being placed, customer name, total amount, and all the details regarding the amount broken down into each component very clearly. And we can see who received the amount, payment method, and the order status. We have the option to print this data as well by pressing it, and we can also view the data in very detailed format by pressing it. Now coming to restaurant reports. Similarly, under restaurant reports, we can see the top performing restaurants and the details of all the restaurants that we have, total admission commission, total order amount, discount given, and other details like tags and ratings can be seen right here. Next, we have customer wallet report. That is a debit credit balance and all the details regarding the wallet of the customers as well. Next, here under employee management, we have the option to change different employee roles. For example, we can create different roles like restaurant, customer executive, demo admin, different like master admin. We can add what they can, which modules they can manage, and we can create by submitting right from here. We can edit the details in future if you want to do that, and we can create a specific employee role right from here. Next, under employees, we have the option to see the list of employees on the platform. For example, we can see the details here, and we have the option to modify it. And if you want to onboard a new employee on the platform, we can do that right from here to manage the whole ecosystem of MoonFoods. Now, coming to business setup, we have the option to set up the business details right from here. For example, we can set up business settings. We can enable the maintenance mode if the site is down. We can change details like company name, email, phone numbers, country details, and other details like icon logo, and everything can be managed right from here. You can change the currency, time format, and other details. So business rule settings like commission on delivery charge, free delivery over what amount, subscription based model can be enabled, disabled right from here. You have the option to enable order notification for admin, include tax amount, veg, non-veg options, additional charges, what are the additional charges and what is the amount, free delivery distance, and everything can be managed right from here. We also have the option to change partial payment can be disabled, cash checkout can be disabled or enabled right from here. Next, under orders, you have the option to manage order delivery verification, home delivery, takeaway, scheduled delivery, subscription, repeat orders. Everything can be managed right from here for each of the order, like total order details. Delivery man can cancel order, yes or no. Order confirmation model, restaurant delivery man. Restaurant can cancel order, no. It can be enabled if you want to do that as well. You can change the time interval for scheduled delivery. You can enable order cancellation message and different other messages that needs to be done can be managed right from here. Then we have refund settings. Here we can manage different refund settings. For example, on spillage or delivery delays, order inaccuracy or product quality, we can manage how a person can request for a refund. We can enable and disable if you want to do that as well. We have the option to manage can a restaurant cancel order, cash inflow, in hand overflow, and different other amount like uh, yeah, restaurant self registration can be managed right from it. Similarly, for the delivery tips for delivery men can be enabled, disabled. Show earnings in the delivery man app. DM self registration. Can a delivery man cancel order? Maximum assigned order limit. Delivery man. Maximum cash in hand can be managed. And similar other details like cash in hand, overflow, minimum amount to pay, take picture for completing a delivery. These are like important details that can be managed and updated right from it. Similarly, customer details like customers can earn and buy from wallet. Customer verification, if required, can be enabled right from here. Similarly, referral earnings, loyalty points, stuff can be updated right from here. Next, we have languages on the platform. On the top, as you can see here, we have currently only English enabled. But if you are serving in different areas, we can add a new language by pressing on Add New Language. We can select a language For example, we can select any of the language right from here. We can select if it is left to right or right to left, and we can add the new language to our platform. We have the option to enable it right from here, and we have the option to change if it is a default language of the platform or not right from here. We have the option to edit details, relate it, and option to see it on the website right from here. As I updated it right here on the top, you can see we have a new language that's added to the platform, and we can change the language of the whole platform just by pressing on it. Next, we have landing page. Here we can manage the landing page. What is the admin default landing page? And here we can manage how the payments are dispersed. It is a manual or automated process. It can be managed as per our. Next, we have subscription management. We have email templates. We have theme settings to manage different themes on the platform. Next, we have gallery. Here, all the data and the images and all the files are stored in the gallery itself. Next, we have social media. Here, we can enable and disable the social media links, and it can be edited right from here. If you want to add a new social media link, it can be added right from here. Next, we have terms and conditions. We have privacy policy about us and other details that can be managed right from here. We can enable different other integrations, and if you want to do that, that can be managed by using system settings right from here. Now I'll be showing you the last part, that is a transaction management. Under restaurant, we can manage the one second. The transaction can be managed for restaurants, delivery men. It can be accepted, declined, collection of cash. What is a received from, type, received at, and other details can be managed from here. Restaurant withdrawals can be managed by going here. We can manage the withdrawal methods. Different withdrawal methods can be managed, and you have the option to add withdrawal methods right from it. You can select what's the withdrawal method, account type, and other details right from here. We can see delivery payments that are done right from there, and it can be managed using this. On the top, we have the option to go to messages to see different messages. Under cart, we can see the current pending orders, and we have the option to collapse the side menu. Coming here, we have option to sign out. We have the option to go to settings. As I showed you earlier, we can just change our name, phone number, email, and we can set new password and other details right from it. So that is it for the demonstration of admin.